Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and measuring precisely. Use 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 4 cloves garlic minced, and 1/6 oz can tomato paste. Measure 2 cups water, 1 tsp sugar, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp black pepper, along with 1 tablespoon dried oregano and 1 tablespoon dried basil or 2 tablespoon fresh basil. Prep saves time and ensures balance. Have a wooden spoon, a 10-inch skillet, and a whisk ready. Keep lids nearby to control evaporation while simmering. Heat 2 tablespoon olive oil over medium and sauté the diced onion 5 to 7 minutes until soft and translucent. Add 4 cloves minced garlic and stir 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add the 1/6 oz can tomato paste and cook 2 to 3 minutes to remove raw edges. Deglaze with 1 cup water, scrape the brown bits, then whisk in the remaining 1 cup water to reach consistency. Add 1 tsp sugar, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp pepper. Then simmer 10 to 15 minutes to meld flavors and slightly thicken. After simmering, always taste and adjust. Add 1 tsp sugar or a small splash of vinegar to tame acidity, and more salt or 1/2 tsp pepper as needed. Fresh herbs are best added at the end. Stir in 2 tablespoons chopped basil or 1 tablespoon dried, plus a tablespoon of olive oil for gloss and mouthfeel. To store, cool to room temperature. Spoon into an airtight jar and refrigerate up to 1 week or freeze in 1 cup portions sealed for up to 3 months. Thaw in fridge and reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.